Welcome, my dear viewers, to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn on Introduction to Computer Basic Skills, Fundamental Computers for Beginners. Before we proceed, please remember to subscribe, comment and like to my YouTube channel. Thank you and feel most welcome. What is a computer? What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. So, if asked what is a computer, it is an electronic device. It has to manipulate information or data, and it has to have a storage and also process data. Image of a computer. This is the image of a computer. This is a complete computer. So this is the computer itself. It has the memory. Everything is going to be processed in this. This is the mouse. This is the mouse. It is an input device. This is the keyboard. Here we have the keyboard. It is also an input device. We have computer monitor. Computer monitor where our data which has been processed, we get the display information here. So the output is going to be displayed in this monitor. So we have to know what is a computer system. What is a computer system? A computer system is a set of integrated devices that input, output, process and store data and information. A computer system is a set of integrated devices that input, output, process and store data and information. So, a set of integrated. For it to be called a computer system, we have to have input devices. Example of input devices: keyboard and mouse. You have to have the storage devices like hard disk, memory, CPU. This is where data is going to be processed. Output devices like the computer monitor and the printer. Computer monitor and the printer. Main computer parts. The main computer parts. We have a monitor where the data which is been displayed has been processed is going to be displayed. So monitor is an output device. Monitor is an output device. We have keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. Mouse is an input device. Speaker is an output device. This computer CPU, this is the processor where everything is going to be processed. Once the keyboard and the mouse enters data, it is going to be processed here before it is going to be displayed in the monitor and the printer. Who invented computer? Who invented computer? Charles Babbage invented computer in 1987. This beautiful man called Charles Babbage invented computer in 1987. In case you are asked who invented computer, my viewers remember this face. Charles Babbage invented computer in the year 1987. In the year 1987. Software and hardware of a computer. Software and hardware of a computer. Software is the program that runs on a computer. Software are programs that run on a computer, while hardware is the physical components of a computer. Physical components of a computer are the hardware. Input devices. We have the keyboard, mouse. Example is the keyboard and mouse. Output devices, we have monitor and speaker. Secondary storage devices for storing memory. Backup, we have hard disk, CD, DVD. Processor and primary storage device, we have CPU and the RAM. Processor and primary storage devices, we have CPU. CPU is the central processing unit of a computer. RAM is the random access memory. As we proceed, we are going to go into details of all this. Characteristics of a computer. Characteristics of a computer. It has a high speed. Today's speed is over 8,000 MB. It is very accuracy. Computer have nearly 100% accuracy. If it is calculation, it does it perfect. Reliability of the computer is almost 100%. Memory is the electronic holding place for data and instruction. Storage, various computer media can hold billions of bytes of data. Computer generation. The first generation of computer was 1940 to 1956. Second generation was 1956 to 1963. The third generation was 1964 and 1971. Fourth generation 1972 and 2010. Fifth generation is 2010 to present. Okay, that is all for today's class. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment for more, because we are going to go into details on formatting, editing, font, everything, how you are going to type everything into details. Please, so that you can't miss, hit that subscription button, like, comment. Thank you, and God bless you, my dear viewers.